Hi, everyone, and welcome to the Fire Mountain Gems and Beads Jewelry Making Studio. Today, I'm going to introduce you to the Potawatomi stitch. Say it with me, Potawatomi stitch. And this is a name that's associated with a Great Lakes Native American tribe, but it's really not. There's really nothing to do with that tribe. Just a cool name. Potawatomi stitch. And it's so fast and fun and easy. You're going to love this. All right.
Get our email newsletter for beading news, sale announcements, new product announcements, and more. Link is in the description below.
So I take my needle and I have it already threaded with some smoke-colored fire line, and I'm going to add 5 beads. This is also known as a daisy chain stitch, and I'm going to show you the daisy chain variant, which is to pick up 2 of one color, 1 of the center of your daisy, and then 2 more of the other color. So I've got 2 oxbloods, 1 gray, and 2 more oxbloods. I'm going to take those down to near the end of my thread without going all the way off the end, and go through them again to make a circle. Back through all 5 of them again to make a circle. A circle of beads. And I'm going to tie a knot just to make my life just a little bit easier. I know traditionally seed beading you would never tie a knot. You don't have to. I'm just going to do it just because it'll make my life a little bit easier when I'm trying to do this slowly and carefully to help all you learn how to do the Potawatomi stitch, even if you can't say it. Just a little double knot. Okay, there's my little circle of seed beads. Now, okay, so this bead that this tail is coming out of, that's the tail, that's bead number 5. So these are beads number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Don't have to memorize all that. Mostly you have to remember 2 and 4. And as with this color pattern, 2 is right before the gray bead and 4 is right after the gray bead. Okay, so I'm going to take my working end. This is my tail. We'll move it out of the way. And I'm going to go back through beads 1 and 2. Coming out of bead 2. And what makes this so fast and fun is that you can add 5 beads at a time. So I've come out of bead 2. I'm going to add 2 more oxbloods and 1 gray and 2 more oxblood. 1, 2. And I'm going to go back in through bead 4. And I literally mean in. I don't want it going through this direction. I want to go this way. So I'm going into the pattern. In bead 4. Ta-da-da-da-da-da-da. And it makes a little circle. And now I want to go out bead 2 on the new circle. So this is your new circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to go out bead 2 of the new circle. Keep all your tension tight. That can be a challenge. It looks kind of messy right now. Don't worry, it's going to work out. Pick up 5 more beads. 2 oxblood, a gray, 2 more oxblood. Go in bead 4. Just bead 4. Keep your tension tight. Go out. Go out bead 2 of your newest circle. So this is your new circle. It's the one right next to the gray. That's bead 2. Go out that way. Pull your tension tight. And you go again. Pick up 5 more beads. 2 oxblood, 1 gray, 2 oxblood. In bead 4, right next to the gray. Out bead 2 of the new circle. This one right here. Pull your tension tight. Now it's starting to look like something. Pretty cool, huh? And how fast is that? You could make bunches of these for your bazaar or gifting or whatever you want. 2 oxbloods, a gray, 2 oxbloods, in 4, out 2 of the new circle. There we go, another circle done. Pick up 5 more. 2 oxblood, a gray, and 2 more oxblood. just like that, in bead 4 and in toward your pattern, out, bead 2 right next to the gray one. Pull your tension tight. Keep that tail area out of the way. Pull your tension nice and tight. And we are off to the races. So you can see, you can make that as long as you need it to be, whether it's a necklace or an earring. It's a very supple and nice little pattern. This is the one where I did 5 beads, 2 oxblood, a gray, 2 oxblood, and kept on going. This one is the same pattern, but in this case, I used 5 of this pinkish color and then 5 of the tangerine color, and that's the way this pattern came out. So now that you know the basic pattern, you can take off and go crazy with all the different types of beads you have, all the different colors you want. I hope to see you go out and be creative and imaginative with Potawatomi stitch. Thank you ever so much for joining me. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And thanks very much and have a great happy beading day.